Okay, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to do an installation of Windows 11 on a very old PC. So just to show you guys, this is actually a Ryzen 3 without any TPM. So if you go to System Settings, you'll have to check this on compatibility checker and all that. So it says here it's a Ryzen 3 2200G. So I'm just going to format this entire thing for Windows 11. How I'm going to do that is that first going to download the Windows 11. So on the Microsoft website itself, you can just download the original version of ISO. Pick Windows 11 from here, click confirm. I'll post the links on the description. So once this is complete, right, you can select the product image. I'm just going to pick English, United States. And then you're going to get this download link. Just click on it, give it some time. It's going to start downloading. I'm not going to go through the download process again because my internet is slow and it's going to be time consuming. Since I've already downloaded it, I'm just going to continue with my existing one. Then what you need to do is you go to Rufus, download Rufus. Here you can, so I just downloaded this standard version, Windows X64. If you have 32-bit machine less than 4 GB RAM, you might as well use this. Since I've already installed it, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Click yes. So let me zoom in on this. Right. So I've already formatted the drive with the ISO file. Here you can actually go ahead, select the Windows ISO, select standard Windows installation, GPT, UEFI, remain unchecked for these ones. It's just going to generate the volume label automatically. Right, then after that, click Start. Here, you're going to get a bunch of options. So these are the things you need to tick if you have an older machine. So this is the important one. Remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot. I'm gonna also remove the requirement for online Microsoft account. I'm gonna set it to use local username, disable data collection, disable BitLocker. BitLocker is basically full disk encryption. I don't need any of that. I'm gonna click OK. Since I've already created the disk, I'm not going to create it again. I'm just gonna click cancel here. And let's run through the installation real quick. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the start menu, click on the power, press and hold the shift key while you click on restart. So this should boot you up into the UEFI menu. Right, from here click on user device. I'm gonna pick partition 1. This is gonna take us to the Windows 11 installation screen. I'm just going to leave all the default settings in the BIOS. Nothing fancy. Okay. So languages to install, all that is default US, install Windows 11. Yeah, you have to consent to this. Yeah, I'm going to click on I don't have a product key. Click next. Here I'm going to install You have a bunch of options here: Pro for workstation, education. Uh, since this is not a workstation, I'm just going to go with 11 Pro. Click next. Keep in mind you still need like a actual license if you want to do like production work, uh, like actual office work and stuff. So if your device already has a license, you can do that, and there's like plenty of sites you can purchase legitimate copies. Uh, yeah, okay. So we are here. What I'm going to do is, you can see the disk 0 is like your default hard drive. I'm going to delete that. So anything disk 1 is basically your pen drive. Yeah, I'm just going to delete this. Delete this. There should be like 512 GBs of disk 0. So if you have more hard drives in your machine, it's going to show everything. My solution to that is just remove all the other hard drives that you might have data, and just do this installation on your primary OS disk. I'm going to click next. Wait, go back. I think I missed something. Oh, no, yeah, it automatically creates everything. Microsoft Reserved, yeah, primary, yeah. Yeah, it does that automatically. You don't have to create the partitions. Keep nothing, Windows 11 Pro. Yeah, there you go. So I'm just gonna let this run through. Uh, yeah, I might speed up the video. For now, I'm just gonna let it run. First step is now complete. Now it's gonna restart. This is the second step. So if you have your PC plugged into the internet, it should download whatever the latest updates and then continue. So if you guys are on Windows 10, you should ideally do this. Partially because like you're not going to get any updates for Windows 10, and Windows being Windows, I suggest you guys use the latest version. Um, Otherwise, you're going to have problems with various kinds of malware. There's thousands of them. So since Microsoft is kind of ditching Windows 10, you shouldn't really use any older versions of Windows. So I might skip this part as well and let it complete. Okay, so that step just completed. It should ideally restart into the operating system now. It's at 94. Since we selected to skip what you call the online sign up process and automatic account creation, we should ideally see like a password input instead of like entire wizard where you have to go through the entire process. Okay, we still get the wizard. I'm just going to pick US, skip. Since I'm recording this over with my phone, you might not see all the details, but yeah, it's quite alright. Yeah, it's now checking for updates. So I think this is the step where it gets all the latest updates before bringing you into the operating system. I might skip this part as well. Okay, so the other step, just that step. Okay, we're logging in. So there was a part I kind of skipped over, which was installing the network drivers part. Happens automatically. Very sorry if my camera is a bit shaky. The tripod isn't very stable. I'm just going to let this run through. Okay, we have a boot up. So that was easy. So this is actually running on the same system. Let's see. Yeah, Ryzen 3 2200G. There's nothing special about this processor. It's actually quite old. According to Microsoft, you shouldn't be able to install this because it doesn't have TPM. You don't really need TPM for day-to-day home use, to be honest. Like, there's more drawbacks than benefits. I suggest you do some research on that. Apart from that, it's quite solid. It works well. No complaints. Uh, Butter smooth. I think the more latest versions of updated Windows 11 copies are actually quite uh, solid. So yeah, everything's installed and it works. So thank you for watching my video. So I hope this helps. Um, if you like to see more kind of videos like this, just drop a comment and let me know so I can cover more advanced topics than this. Thank you.